any loan that Indian banks give needs to be paid on a monthly EMIs. Farmer doesn't have monthly income. His income comes twice a year. This needs a very different level of product understanding. This needs to be kind of linked to the supply chains because you need to kind of see when he sells is where he can pay. And if the banker is not there where he sells, that's why the output aggregator, the buyer, all that is very critical. So it's kind of very intimately connected with the agri value chain. More than 50% of India is kind of going to be a middle class. What does that mean to us? Is that the urban middle class is kind of going to demand a variety of foods. The middle class in the village is kind of going to need a very different types of credit to kind of meet that requirement, the urban demanding, kind of middle class. KiVi plays to that particular context of bringing that credit to the market that can actually take for mechanization, using technology, because that kind of agriculture needs a very transformational credit and supply chains to kind of work. And by organizing all of this by using technology, the data really power back the lending institutions. The buyers now know that where is the commodity getting produced. We think our products kind of rightly suited the bankers as well as for the consumers of that credit. Rural finance and commerce needed a very differentiated understanding of Indian rural customer. It needs all the more a team that can do a pan-India operations profitably. I have personally worked in the rural finance for last 20 years. The Indian microfinance industry today reaches to 7 crore Indian families, delivering a credit of more than 3.5 lakh crore. I've directly learned and very closely worked with pioneers of Indian microfinance like Nachiket Moore of ICICI Bank. The founding team actually have traveled with me in this whole journey in various capacities with the very complementary skill set for the kind of subject matter, kind of rural finance, technology, agri-commerce, and also the channels that work in rural India and fundraise. So we believe the team has got the right appetite, empathy for the rural customer that you are creating products and services, and it's got the execution skill sets that they've lifted in the last many years.